Hear the young Dolph. A new judge now in place to hear the young Dolph murder case. This morning, suspect Hernandez Govan made his first appearance before this new judge. Judge Jennifer Mitchell is taking over 1 week after Judge Lee Coffey recused himself. Coffey was accused of bias by the attorney for Justin Johnson, who was another suspect in the young Dolph case. Johnson also.
That's a violation of your bond, Mr. Govan. So I don't know who gave you permission to take those trips to leave Shelby County.
Judge Coffey said Govan once left to celebrate his birthday, the other for the 4th of July. Terms of Govan's bond.
Hey, if I was these fuck niggas, I'd be mad at me too. You know what I mean? Yeah, all that. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I still ain't got no tags, bitch. Yeah, you know what I mean? I'd be mad at me too, bro. You feel me? I'd be mad too, bro. Trap nigga living luxury,
bro. Dolph, you a bitch, you a soft ass nigga, you nice ass nigga. If you got a problem, nigga, say you got a problem. Shake ass, bitch ass nigga.
It was guy when I said free my nigga, yo did it. Yeah.
I'm saying, the thing was, it was a personal issue. You know what I'm saying? Homie had a personal issue. I got the phone call. Homie said that, and I'm like, damn, for real. So I ain't want to believe it. But when you turn around, so I'm like, boom, I'm like, man, fuck him, bitch.
So what's going on is, on the young Dolph's trial, murder case that is, there's a new judge seeing over it, residing over it, and this new judge name is Jennifer Mitchell, has been newly selected to preside over the case. I'm gonna fall back and let you listen to that breaking news.
Hear the young Dolph. A new judge now in place to hear the young Dolph murder case. This morning, suspect Hernandez Govan made his first appearance before this new judge. Judge Jennifer Mitchell is taking over 1 week after Judge Lee Coffey recused himself. Coffey was accused of bias by the attorney for Justin Johnson, who was another suspect in the young Dolph case. Johnson also with Cornelius Smith are both charged with murder. Today, Assistant DA Paul Hagerman talked about where the case stands now.
Spoken to Mr. Johnson and Mr. Smith's attorneys. Of course, they're the two trial defendants, and they don't believe this is any sort of setback either. So I'm optimistic that we're in the same time frame. If we have to adjust the trial date by a matter of weeks or something like that, then of course, we can do that. But I don't see this being a major setback.
Hernandez Govan is charged with conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, and criminal attempt first-degree murder. He's due back in court December 14th.
So when you're looking at all of this and you're trying to make sense of it, you do understand that a lot of things reportedly went left. Now, according to the Daily Memphian, Hernandez Govan was in a different courtroom after an order issued last week stated that Judge Lee Coffey would no longer further proceedings about this case. Now, if you want to know who am I referring to and who I'm talking about as far as Govan, this man's name is an intricate name in the situation. He's been going viral for his parts as far as being alleged in the crime itself, and a lot of back and forth of how people feel about him, who he has ties to. And of course, people throw up the name CMG. We can say it here. We know publicly what everybody are trying to think about it or accusing of, even though we have no literal proof other than we know these brothers have animosity towards each other, and we do know that. But this is Jovan in court during the situation that kind of went in his favor when he broke probation.
That's a violation of your bond, Mr. Govan. So I don't know who gave you permission to take those trips to leave Shelby County.
Judge Coffey said Govan once left to celebrate his birthday, the other for the 4th of July. Terms of Govan's bond agreement include him not leaving the county under any circumstance. He's mostly restricted to home. Even going shopping in a store is a no-no.
It cannot be done unless it is proved by this court, Mr. Govan. Mr. Govan, you're on those restrictions for a reason. And part of those reasons is for your own safety.
The judge ordered Govan to follow these terms, or a cell is where he will find himself.
You are probably aware that Memphis, Shelby County, Tennessee is the first most violent metropolitan area in the country. This case has generated a substantial amount of publicity. And if you're running around free in Shelby County, Mr. Govan, knock on wood, somebody might be trying to kill you, sir.
At 201 Poplar, Jeremy Pierre.
Now, the judge let Hernandez know that his life very much is endangered. Instead, Judge Jennifer Mitchell was recently chosen to preside over the case, which Jovan briefly speaking with her during the most recent hearing. Now listen to me, y'all. This case was randomly reassigned to the Criminal Court Division 10. This is, like I said, the first defendant, the first court date we've had in Division 10. Shelby County Assistant District Attorney Paul Hagerman said, "We did not see any reason for recusal, but of course the courts of criminal appeals disagreed and we have to follow the law." So he's basically letting you know a lot of these things are BS. He didn't see how people needed to purport the situation to take it left as far as to get a new judge. And before I continue, this is why I'm always telling y'all on today's episode this: rumors can make you hate innocent people and love the hypocrites. Be wise. Y'all can take that any way how you want to, but Hagerman basically is hopeful that the latest adjustments will not cause a backup as the case moves forward. Cornelius Smith and Justin Johnson, aka StraightDroppp, the other two defendants, are still in custody awaiting trial. They basically will face Judge Mitchell for the first time in just under a month. We know that case got expedited even after Judge Lee Coffey got removed or whatever. Young Dolph was shot and killed in Memphis on November 17, 2021. And what the Memphis police said was one male victim who was located at the scene, which was Dolph. And that was the most they had at the time. Since then, a resource and handful of information have gathered their way. Officers got a lot of witness statements, and the prosecutors feel assured they will be done with this case once and for all. That's kind of brazy and wild they said that, because I'm going to give you a strings of few videos to run down on their past beef with one another.
You know what I'm saying? The thing was, it was a personal issue. You know what I'm saying? Me and homie had a personal issue. I got the phone call. Homie said that, and I'm like, damn, for real? So I ain't want to believe it. But when you turn around, so I'm like, boom, I'm like, man, fuck him, bitch ass nigga know what's up. So I turn around, red, know what I'm talking about? He come with that junk, so he dissed me. So I'm like, damn, at that point, my tape finna drop in like 2 or 3 hours. So I ain't have no diss song about this man on my tape, bro. I was like, fuck that. I was looking at the house for the bad house. I left from mix, clean, master, none of this shit. I just did it and put it rough dry out. You know what I'm saying? Me, the thing was, it was a personal issue. You know what I'm saying? Me, homie had a personal issue.
Hey, if I was these fuck niggas, I'd be mad at me too. You know what I mean? Yeah, all that. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I still ain't got no tags, bitch. Yeah, you know what I mean? I be mad at me too, bro. You feel me? I be mad too, bro. Trap nigga living luxury,
bro. Dolph, you a bitch. You a soft ass nigga. You nice ass nigga. If you got a problem, nigga, say you got a problem. Shake ass, bitch ass nigga.
It was gay when I said free my nigga, yo did it. Yeah.
Hey, man, we here, baby. Hey, look how we doing it, baby.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? This shit big, baby. This shit getting bigger than ever.
Where you at, dog? Where you at? Where you at?
Bitch.
Where we at right now, cuz? We in Castain right now, cuz? Where he at? Where he at?
Where you at,
Where he at? See the left in the back? You see me?
Man. Miller, what's up, bro? What's up, You know what I mean? Hey, if I was these fuck niggas, I'd be mad at me too. You know what I mean?
Man, the most we can say to this whole situation is rest in peace to young Dolph, man, because no matter what goes on or what story we report here on this platform of I Smoke Hip Hop Live, we still won't get these great artists back. So everybody took a loss, in my opinion. I'm DJ Bless One, the best one. Love your family, love your kids, and stay blessed.
He my dog, he died in traffic with that brand new Glock 380. Went to see the voodoo lady. I'm on high shit right now. That woo done turned me crazy. With a brand new black Mercedes. It's a stay la vie, my baby. I see so many Z's, it look like double Z's. OMG, red and blue flag hanging on my back. Extra swag, 90210. You know I'm from the roads, rock and roll. I'm motherfucking locked there. With the sack, 3 for sale. Yeah, I'm on that Adderall. Can't you tell? Yeah, I might be on that perk. Still feelings on my shirt.